This is the all-new NutriBullet Juicer Pro. The Juicer Pro is a fast and convenient way to get essential nutrients your body needs from all kinds of fruits and vegetables. The 1,000-watt motor and multiple speeds give you the power and control to juice soft, delicious strawberries, to tough, nutrient-rich beetroot. The 3-inch chute fits larger fruits, and the dual-sized pusher easily adjusts for smaller produce as well. The 2-liter basin and no-drip spout cover allows for greater quantities of juice without the mess. Plus, the 27-ounce pitcher makes for easy pouring and storing. You also get 2 12-ounce on-the-go glass bottles and 2 freezer storage trays. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and covered by a 1-year warranty. This is the all-new NutriBullet Juicer Pro.
In our busy lives, it can be difficult to find the time to get the nutrition we need from the food that we eat. In fact, about 90% of all people don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. Luckily, cold-pressed juice from the Solostar 4 provides a quick and easy way to get the nutrients that we need. When we get the proper amount of nutrition, we look better, feel better, and have healthier lives. Beautiful and powerful all in the same package, the reinvented Solostar 4 features an all-new, breathtaking design coupled with intelligent engineering. Its gorgeous body is wrapped around an efficient drive system that produces more power while using less electricity. The low-speed operation, cold-press squeezing action, and increased juice yield help you maximize your daily intake of enzymes, vitamins, and nutrients. It is simply the best horizontal single-auger juicer in the world. Due to its smart design, the Solostar 4 crushes the competition by producing 26% more torque while using 10% less electricity. It has a gear reduction equivalent to a 5.4 horsepower motor. More torque means less jamming, and less electricity means more savings on your electricity bill. You even get additional savings by lowering your grocery bill because the Solostar 4 produces up to 40% more juice from your favorite fruits and vegetables. The sleek, compact, and modern design takes up less space while looking beautiful on your kitchen countertop. And since all food contact parts are made from BPA and BPS-free materials, you don't have to worry about exposing your family to harmful chemicals. Each Solostar 4 also comes with a standard 15-year warranty, the longest warranty of its kind in the industry. At only 57 RPM, the Solostar 4 is the slowest horizontal single-auger juicer on the market. The slow and gentle juicing process virtually eliminates all heat and oxidation, preserving more essential nutrients and live enzymes. The class-leading auger size and dual-stage extraction process produce maximum juice yields. The Ultim auger is also 8 times stronger than other types of plastic, which allows for an aggressive auger design that makes it easy to feed your produce into the juicer. So you not only get better juice, you get more of it, all in an easy-to-use juicer. True beauty starts on the inside. Begin your journey towards a healthier, more beautiful you with the
Create fresh and healthful juice and vegetable-based beverages at home with the Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer. Slow juicing method preserves 95% of the nutrients from fresh fruits and vegetables because it doesn't produce unnecessary heat during extraction. In only 15 minutes, your body will digest and absorb all the necessary nutrients. Powerfully press and crush fruits, vegetables, and nuts for maximum extraction. Quickly yet thoroughly extract the essence of nuts, wheatgrasses, and sprouts. The wide-mouth feed tube can juice an entire apple for delicious homemade apple juice quickly and efficiently. The powerful and quiet motor operates efficiently with maximum results. It's easy to operate. Just place fruits and vegetables into the feed tube by guiding them using the pusher. Larger items can be added to the feed tube by lifting the hopper cap and placing them directly on the plate to juice. In between juicing your fruits, vegetables, and nuts, press the reverse button to clear the masticating auger and avoid clogging. The masticating auger slowly extracts the most juice for nutritious beverages. Simultaneously, the pulp is extracted into a separate pitcher in order to retain nutrients and full flavor during juicing. When making milk from nuts, such as almonds or cashews, be sure to soak overnight. Once they are ready to be juiced, turn the juice spout to the closed position to allow the contents to self-mix prior to dispensing. The mesh-free filter can be easily cleaned, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Be healthful and stay on track with the Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer.